everyone, and my name is Sadie, and this is ARTLIFE. Welcome to an episode of SADIE TV. I'm learning about shapes at kinder, so I thought to do a fun activity using lots of shapes on this picture. Come with me and I'll show you how to do it. For the SADIE TV task today, you'll need a piece of paper, some glue, some paint, some textures, and scissors. Let's get started, everyone. This is a task for drawing shapes because I'm learning about shapes at kinder. And I'm going to draw a lot of shapes on my piece of paper. I'm drawing with shiny textures. And they're very bright. And the first one I did with purple is a triangle. Now I'm going to use pink. And that one is going to do this one. A circle with the pink. Now I'm going to do one with the green. I wonder what I'm going to do. I did a square with the green. Now brown. I wonder what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a rectangle. Orange is orange. Look, I did a rectangle with the orange. If you don't have textures like this at home, you can use a white piece of paper and normal textures. I'm going to do a love heart with this one. Do a point like that and then stick it to there and then do another one that's the same there. Can you see? I did love heart with gold. Now I'm going to use grey. I'm going to do another circle. Look, I did another circle with grey. Now it's time to try to use the whole paper with doing this, all the shapes you know. It's going to be a long video. I hope you had fun filling your whole page with shapes. Look at mine. Next we're going to do some cutting and pasting. Mum's helped me put all my paper together because it's easier to cut all at the same time. So cut out shapes you know. Look, I cut 3 rectangles at the same time. Mummy's helped me drawing a line across there to draw a triangle. So I'm going to cut it, the line. There. The shapes that I've done. I have done these ones, and these rectangle. I got heaps of shapes here now. First we did a drawing layer and now we're going to do a paper layer. This picture is for my cousin SADIE. I glued all the shapes I cut out. I stick them onto the piece of paper. Now I'm going to do some printing. Printing is putting one of those rollers dipping it in paint and then putting it on like this, stamping. I found things around the house that are shapes. A carrot, a paper roller, and a block. The carrot is a circle, even a roller is a circle, and a block is a square. What can you find around your house that are shapes? I really wanted a love heart, so Mummy folded it into a love heart. Show you what printing is now. Printing. I'm dipping the roller on the page and then putting it up and then printing it on my piece of paper, like that. It's beautiful, isn't it? Now I'm going to do the block. I'm going to use, wait for this. Like that. A square. See? It's time for circles. The first circle I'm going to use is the carrot. Oh, had to. Printing is pressing it down, not moving it around. Like this. It's fun. Done. It's so pretty, isn't it? A shape kind of picture. I love this artwork because it's so pretty. Because there's shapes on it and my favourite shapes. My favourite shape is the heart. What's your favourite shape? It's as simple as that. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you learned lots and have heaps of fun. See you next time, everyone.